Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the Sylveon inspired eye makeup look. I really love this eye look because it looks adorable, doesn't it? So if you want to know how to create this eye look, then keep on watching. Firstly, I set my whole eyelid by using the white eyeshadow base from the Morphe 35B palette. Then I will use this kind of peachy beige eyeshadow from Morphe 35B palette and apply it as my transition shade onto the whole crease and the waterline as well by using a fluffy brush from the Real Technique. Then I'm gonna use this pink eyeshadow from Morphe 35B palette and apply it next to the previous shade. I will move on to use the pencil brush to apply that eyeshadow to my bottom lashes line. Then I'm gonna use this kind of pinky purple shade, I would say, to apply it onto my crease by using a pencil brush to intensify the eyeshadow base. I'm using the very tiny brush to apply this shade as very close to my waterline and using the pencil brush to blend it out. You would like to use the pencil brush and apply it very intensely onto the outer V of the eyes because this is gonna be a half-cut crease eye look. Then I'm gonna use the concealer to cut the crease. This is the half-cut crease, so it is easier than some of the other EYEMAKEUP eye look. If you want to know how to create the other EYEMAKEUP inspired eye makeup look, then watch my previous videos. I link in the description box below as well. Then I'm gonna set the concealer by the white eyeshadow base from Morphe 35B palette. This is the sample from the eyeshadow of the Rainbow palette of Violet Voss palette. The thing is that because when I went shopping in Sephora, they were out of it. So a very nice lady, she gave me the sample and I was really excited for it because the shimmer is very stunning. You see it? I want to find this kind of brilliant and shimmery and glittery eyeshadow look, like very brilliant and bright blue, if you know what I mean. And this is just perfect. I apply it onto the half of my crease, my lid, and next to it, I'm applying a shade called Zola from the Masquerade Juvia's Place palette to make the transition between that Violet Voss eyeshadow and the pink one. Then I am using a lip liner brush to intensify again the crease line to add depth to it. Now I'm using the shade Pay the Piper from Golden State of my palette of Colourpop to pop a hint of glitter to the middle of my lip. I'm cleaning up the underneath part of me because it's a little bit messy, a lot of fallout, but it's fine. Then I'm gonna use a shade called Faint in Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette to apply it the inner part of the waterline. Move on, I'm gonna use the white liquid liner from NYX Cosmetics to draw some little hearts, like the heart tears, on the bottom part of my waterline. Try to make the heart in a upside down triangular shape. And use the same liquid liner to sketch out a small crease line. Now, I'm gonna draw a bow ribbon onto my brow by using the white liquid liner of NYX. The bow will run across the brow, wrapping the brow like a gift wrap basically. And if you go a little bit over, you can always use the Vivid Petal liquid liner from NYX to fix it. This is the signature feature of Sylveon, so I will have to include it to this eye look. Now I'm gonna use this pastel blue acrylic paint from MAC to paint the tip of the bow, the ribbon, and then I'm gonna use the shade Vivid Sapphire liquid liner to draw a line, and then Vivid Petal liquid liner. You can see the reference photo of Sylveon to do this. Then I'm gonna use this brown shade in I Divine Sleek Cosmetics palette to add some shading for the bow, for the ribbon. I sculpted this tiny cute bow off camera from the air dry clay I bought from Michaels. Now I will just glue it onto my brow by using the lashes glue to finish the bow. Then I'm gonna use the shade Silk Cream in Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette to apply it onto my inner corner. And that's it. This is the finished look and hope you enjoy it. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you like it. So this is the final look of this Evolution eye makeup collection, and see you guys in the next project in the future. And bye, love you guys, see ya.